On Friday, a federal judge in Texas blocked sales of mifepristone. That's a drug that's part of a 2-pill regimen to end pregnancy in the first 10 weeks. The judge said the FDA's decision to okay the drug 23 years ago was based on unsound reasoning and studies that didn't support the FDA's conclusions. Yesterday, we spoke to Tamara Weeder, State Director for Planned Parenthood Alliance Advocates. Today, we have reaction from David Walls, Executive Director of the conservative-leaning Family Foundation.
Well, certainly we are excited about the court decision. We view it as a victory for the medical profession, but more importantly that, we view it a victory for unborn children and for their mothers. Look, the basis of the FDA approval of this chemical abortion pill to begin with was under false premises and frankly was done in an illegal manner. The reality is pregnancy is not a disease. It's not an illness, and abortion is not health care, and it has been troubling for many years. And I'm glad that it's coming to light through this court case, the process in which the FDA went through to so-called legalize or approve this chemical abortion pill, which takes the life of an unborn child and puts women at risk. The data is at least 4 times is more risky than a surgical abortion procedure, and I think those numbers are going to continue to unfortunately skyrocket as the FDA and the Biden administration had taken away some of the basic safety precautions, like having an in-person doctor consultation in the process of prescribing this deadly pill. I mean, we do have to remember that every time one of these pills successfully works, there is a death, and a death of the unborn child. But again, the FDA's approval of this was under essentially the pretense that abortion is an illness and that this is a medical pill to deal with a pregnancy as an illness, and we just know fundamentally that's just not an accurate representation of what pregnancy is.
Yeah. The Biden administration is asking to keep mifepristone on the market as the legal case moves through the court.